Hello. The last couple of days I've been working with animals, and I've done a movement system for my animals. Now you can see the bunny is hopping around the planet. It's randomly hopping between available blocks, and I find it kind of funny. Also, I made a dialogue system for animals. So now when you touch them, they are speaking with you. That was interesting task in terms of UI programming, and I want to show you how I done this. So as you can see, UI dialog box is always attached to the animal. And it always positions correctly itself on the screen. So when you touch the animal, the function start dialog is happening. Basically, it adding dialog widget to the canvas game. The widget is just a text box, but it's correcting its position on the tick. If we unpin the tick, we'll see just appearing widget in the top of the screen, like in the 0 position. To make the position is always snap to the animal, I'm projecting the world coordinates to screen coordinates of the animal and dividing it by viewport scale. It's necessary, especially for mobile gaming. Always remember about DPI scaling. A little bit offset on the Y, and now our widget will be always snapped to the animal. But as you can see, it's not very right now. So what we need to do next is we need to set alignment from left to right, dependent on what position of X coordinate at screen our rabbit is. And now you can see everything works just fine. I'm also disabling and enabling collision due to current situation of like animation state of animal. So you cannot double touch it, you cannot click around it. It's for now you can make it float in the air for a little bit, but I will fix it later. I've also been experimenting with the cloud shader, because right now the game background is just pure black with some random stars, which is, I don't know, maybe it's not looking very good. So from the beginning I wanted to make a nebula like space sky shader. So this is a simple shader which is basically is just a procedural noise with 3 directions, X, Y, and Z, which are driven by panners. And the noise is just blending 3 colors. The trick here is that I have to make the noise derived also from the screen position, not from the world position of the sky plane. This is done because actually in my game it's not the sphere that is spinning around, it is a camera. So when we are spinning the sphere, the sphere just stays in place and it's not rotating itself, but the camera spins around. After creating this material, which is currently 213 instructions, which I load, I made an instance with this parameters. So now you can adjust those parameters, like make it really fast, make crazy psychedelic colors, but the reason I haven't implemented it because the performance on mobile is dropping down like about 10 times. This shader drop in performance to 10 frames per second. So I cannot use this noise, this procedural noise on the mobile. So I think my game will be just black. Maybe it's not so bad. Maybe I will figure out something later. But for now, it's fine. Thank you. Bye.